everyone, I'm Monique, and today I'm going to show you what I put in my travel makeup bag. In November and some in December, I'm traveling, going to concert next weekend. I have 2 weddings to go to, so I figured this would be the best time to show you what I take in my makeup bag, because obviously I don't take everything. So if you like this video, please continue to watch and don't forget to subscribe. My St. Ives Renewing Collagen and Elastin Moisturizer. I've had this for a really long time and it's been lasting me. I use this to keep my face moisturized, especially when it gets a little bit colder. Then next, I've been using this Lancome Genifique Concentrate Activator. I guess how you pronounce it. Just testing this out. I got it in a gift set, so I've been using that a lot too. And I have the NYX Angel Veil. I've been getting a lot of compliments on my skin lately. I don't know what's going on. It might have to do with this, it might have to do with this, but I've been using this a lot. So that's what I would do next in my routine. All right, next thing that I put in my travel bag is this LA Girl concealer. It's the orange one because I've been having some darkness around my mouth. This is the orange corrector, so I've been using this a lot lately. Next thing I have is my NYX, don't look the dirtiness, turn it over. The NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I don't know, like I said, I've been getting a lot of compliments on this, so I've been using it a lot lately with the Beauty Blender, not my Morphe brush, the Y6 brush. So I've really been liking this lately. Next, I have my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the color Honey 30. Good coverage. I think I get like a medium coverage out of this, which is really all I need. All right. I've been trying to go in order of how I apply makeup, but that's just not gonna work. So I also brought my Black Radiance contour palette. It has all the colors that I need, and it's small. So yeah, I really like this too. Next, I also have my Wet n Wild Color Icon and Mellow Wine. I said I was gonna stop wearing this because the color is a little bit more, I just want something more fall. But I have this one, and I also have my Black Radiance one. This is the color Toasted Almond. They look very similar. I guess it didn't matter which one I brought. The Black Radiance one just a little bit darker. I brought my Wet n Wild highlighter and crown of my Canopy. I've been digging through this one a lot. But I also brought this Becca and Lilac. And I only brought it because it was small and I really liked the color of it. So I have both of those. I also brought a pair of lashes. I don't think I'm gonna use these, but I brought them just in case. And I got some Kiss adhesive lash glue, and these are House of Lashes. I got these from Ulta. I think they just started getting these. I think these are in the style Iconic Light or something like that. I cannot remember, but I'll try to have it listed in the description. I brought 2 eyebrow products. I brought the Brow Gal brow powder. I use this a lot, especially this dark brown over here on the end. I've been digging into that. Normally I wouldn't bring a powder only because I have to bring a brush to do my eyebrows. So I think this was just left in my bag from last time, or I just threw it in there just because. I would recommend bringing a pencil if you're traveling, only because it's a little bit easier to keep up with and less stuff to take. So I brought this ABH Brow Wiz. Alright, so I've only brought 1 mascara, I think. I've been kind of obsessed with the Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. I bought this because I wanted to find a mascara that has a lash serum in it. And I think it's working. I've noticed my eyelashes look really thick and really long. I've been using it for, I don't know, maybe 2 to 3 weeks. So I really like this. To set my face, I brought my Laura Mercier powder. I know I need to find a new powder. I'm thinking about trying the new, so it's not new, the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I heard it was really good, so I need to pick that up so I can stop using this and try something new. Next thing I have is a liquid liner. I don't know if I'm going to be doing a wing line or anything when I travel this weekend. But I bought this. It's just the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I really like it. I've been using this for a really long time and it hasn't dried out yet. And just to make life easier, I brought this MAC lipstick in the color Whirl. It's just a nude. I figure that's the easiest way to go. I also keep like different lip glosses and things like that in my purse. So this is not the only lipstick that I have. It's just the only one that I pack. And then I have a MAC lip liner in the color Chestnut. This is really dark. I actually meant to get, what is it called? I don't know. I meant to get the one that Makeup Shayla uses, the Cork. And I said the wrong thing when I got up to the MAC representative or worker or whatever, MAC girl. I don't know. I guess I got nervous all of a sudden. I also brought my Lancome in Black Ebony. This is just a regular eyeliner. All right, let's see what I have in here. And then I just bought some white eyeliner. I don't really know why I have this, but the rest of that's unimportant. I brought my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Y'all know I'm beating a dead horse with this, but I really, really enjoy using it. I really like the colors and everything in here. Now I will say it's big. This is a big palette. It's a big palette. So I wouldn't say this is the most travel friendly. It does have a nice mirror though. So it's kind of like a give and take. I saw on Trend Mood that they're making like a mini version of the Urban Decay Born to Run, and it's gonna be called On the Run, and I think there's three different mini versions of this. So those are coming out, and I think those would be more suitable for traveling. So I brought it anyway though. All right, to clean my makeup off, I brought my CeraVe foaming cleanser, and I actually just ran out, so this bottle is kind of empty. It's fine though. I just need to pick up a new one of this. And I actually forgot to bring my, what was it called? My Clinique Take the Day Off. But normally I bring that, or actually I might recommend taking makeup cleansing cloths like the Neutrogena ones. I would take that over the Clinique cleansing balm. Yeah, that'd be a lot easier to handle. All right, so that's pretty much it other than my brushes and everything. I also brought my MAC Fix Plus. That's pretty much a given. I also use this to prime my face. So that's everything. All right guys, so this is everything that I would normally take on a trip. I did this video because I'm traveling a lot in November. So I just wanted you to see what I normally pack. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget there's a giveaway coming because I finally hit 100 subscribers. And I am thankful for each and every one of you. And thank you for watching my videos. See you.